Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to another dive-in video. Now in this video, I will present to you and review and explore Atom, the code editor that is going to be out of commission and going to be archived on December 15th, 2022. So there's no updates are made. Github, which owns Atom, is going to kill off Atom. And you know who owns GitHub? Microsoft. Yay! So basically, I I made a dive-in video for Edge last time, which is also owned by Microsoft, and commemoration of Internet Explorer being killed off by Microsoft himself. Now, Microsoft is gonna kill off Atom, but Atom will be missed, unlike Internet Explorer, because Internet Explorer, nobody cares and uses it. I mean, the only time I used it was in Windows 98, and now I don't use Windows 98 anymore. So, yeah. So, Atom is a code editor, just like Visual Studio Code, just like Sublime Text, and just like Notepad++. And it's really cool and looks, I mean, the interface itself, the GUI, looks super cool. Like, I go there and this thingy, the retract button pops up. I could actually do that. I could basically expand, retract, just bring it back, whatever. And it tells me my project's empty. And it gives me a bunch of stuff. Like there's like welcome Atom, a hackable text editor for the 21st century. Just like Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, Xcode, I think that was called. Xcode for Apple. Xcode that is highly doubt is going to be open source for Windows. Like Sublime Text and pretty much other code editors. Yeah, it's just the only hackable text editor for the 21st century. Yeah, I basically disagree. But they have docs. Let's look at their documentation. See if an average person like me, like King Tut himself, understands it. And while this is loading, they have GitHub discussions, which that is good. They have forums, blogs, basically all in GitHub. And then basically its own website, which is a GitHub created Atom packages that could be found. So you can find packages in atom.org. Honestly, yeah, so basically you see in GitHub of the creation of Atom itself. So basically it's open source. So I'm pretty sure when it gets archived, someone is gonna pick up Atom where it left off and probably take off all the stuff that is like related to GitHub and Microsoft and make it its own thing. Related to probably Bitbucket, GitLab, and probably decentralized federated GitHub alternative. So I'm pretty sure I think Atom is gonna live on. There are gonna be updates, and someone else is gonna like pick up where it left off. Just like Dev C++, where someone picked up where it left off because Dev C++ died, but it's still an open source IDE, C++ IDE, and they basically rebrand it as Orwell C++ or Orwell Dev C++. I mean, I'm not kidding. I might do a dive-in video in the future. So they have the documentation, they have the flight manual, placing the engine. Okay, the Atom API reference documentation is automatically generated from the Atom source code. And basically it just helps you. It's a documentation telling you to build how to build your own plugin. And then there's the flight manual. I don't know what the hell the flight manual is. Why Atom? I wonder. Why Atom and not other code editors? Why Atom? There are a lot of text editors out there, true. Why would you spend your time learning about and using Atom? Basically, the question I have. Okay, so Sublime, I heard about TextMate. Offers convenience but only limited extensibility. Unlike, on the other hand of the spectrum, Emacs and Vim offers extreme flexibility but basically not user friendly. So yeah, that's Emacs and Vim. I've seen like Linux fans talk about Emacs and Vim, how awesome it is, but when I look at it, it's not really user friendly. It's just gonna be, it if you want to start with Emacs and Vim, you're gonna have a huge learning curve. But if you came from a background from Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime Text, maybe the learning curve isn't gonna be as bad as someone who came from the IDE to go to Emacs and Vim. So basically, the thing we think we could do better. Okay, our goal is a zero compromise combination of hackability and usability. An editor that will be welcoming to elementary school students on their first day learning to code. I don't think as an elementary school student I learned to code. Probably I never, only in high school you learn to code, and I don't know about your school, but in my school, that you usually learn to code. It's an elective class in high school, and yeah, so it's unfortunate that you don't really learn to code unless you took it as an elective in high school. I wish coding would have been viable. I wish coding would have been a class for elementary students. I mean, it doesn't have to be like a very advanced coding stuff or advanced programming language, but at least something that could actually help elementary students to at least, get their, like, understand it, like get it off the ground instead of in terms of understanding coding and programming. Anyway, so but also a tool that won't outgrow as they develop into seasoned hackers. So I guess elementary school students learning to code, but they're gonna eventually become hackers. I highly doubt they're gonna do. They're just gonna become programmers. Okay, so as we used Atom to build Atom, experiment gradually matured to a tool that we can't live without. Basically, it's maturing as a code editor. So basically, they're talking about like their argument of why Atom and not other code editor. They talk about the native web, which you could basically code HTML or do web coding in any code editor, especially Notepad or WordPad. Except that Notepad and WordPad isn't that, it's very old and not that user friendly. It won't give you the IntelliSense or like autocomplete stuff. So it's I wouldn't recommend if you're starting out web programming, probably WordPad and Notepad at first, at least to get yourself familiar with it, and then you could jump to other code editors that actually has autocomplete and very advanced features and functionality. JavaScript. Well, JavaScript is part of web programming. Meet C++. Oh, it's saying JavaScript meet C++. WebTech, that's fun part. Open source text editor. Yep, you could actually program the text editor itself. Well, it's a code editor. It's not really a text editor. I mean, the text editor is built into it, but it makes use of a compiler. So it's a code editor. So you see Atom as a perfect complement to GitHub primary mission of building better software, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it just basically tells you GitHub is going to continue to support its development until December 15th of this year. So let's say I want to create a theme. All right, so UI theme, syntax theme. Yay. It's very complicated. If you're into those, go ahead and read the documentation of creating a theme. Let's look at iconography, creating your own icon. Well, what if I want to like set up C++? They don't show that? That's interesting. I don't know. Probably it's just basically if you want to create your own UI, basically stuff inside of Atom, feel free to, I guess. It's going to show you how UI works, terminology. It has glossary. It has commands. Choose a theme, any theme. Software app. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Opening file and project. I mean, they're easy to understand. They're not like, I would say, like a professionalized kind of tone. It's very, very easy to understand. It's basically in a way that an inexperienced person, a person who never heard of Atom, would understand. So documentation really matters if you really want to teach yourself some aspects of Atom, of the Atom text editor. But unfortunately, they don't really. How do I set up C++? C++. Let's look at it. Cross-platform compatibility. How much does Atom cost? Oh, really? It used to be proprietary and now became open source. Good on them. Good on them. Okay, that's fine. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could Google how to set up C++ in Atom. Let's look at it. Atom package allows you to compile C++ and C within the editor. To compile C or C++, press F5 or click the file. Attach a GNU debugger or press F6 or right click the file in the tree view to compile and debug. Oh, so basically, okay, so it's basically a package. All right, so let's go back here and let's just, add a folder because my project is currently empty. So let's go to desktop. Let's go to where are my programming. Let's do C++ and let's just go to new folder. Come on. Atom. Oh, by the way, before I continue, here's a disclaimer. I'm going to be all over the place, and they're going to be terminology and stuff that I'll explain on the fly, and it's unscripted because I'm going to be all over the place. So, yeah, I know it's 13 minutes into this, but I forgot to give you a disclaimer. So, yeah. I might as well put the disclaimer before the video. Why not? So, alright. And then, alright, so let's do another new folder. Let's do testing. Because I'm just testing some stuff. Select folder. And then you have this new folder called testing. Let's do new file. And then it's just gonna ask me to enter the path of the new file. And enter the path. Let's just put in test.cpp. All right. And you see this nice looking icon right there. I love it. It's awesome. All right. So right there, right in front of you, it has the new C++ file. So basically, I'm just going to make it a main source file. So I'll just do #include. And instead of the quotation, let's just, oh geez. let's do include, and now instead of iostream.h, because you don't do that, despite what many old textbooks tell you, just put iostream. It's gonna assume it's already .h. Using namespace std, and then int main, and then you basically put curly braces, and then we're gonna do cout, and basically, wow, I'm impressed. It gives you an automatic template. So as you see here, this for \n, that's just another way of putting n line or endl, because I mean, it's just another way. I mean, it's an escape sequence. I don't think I have taught you escape sequences in C++, so probably might be later on I'll do it. And if you see here, std : cout, if you don't know what it is, you could check out my video talking about std. All right, so right here, it's gonna ask me what message should I put. Let's just put hello world, and yes, 2 exclamation points. All right, and let's just save this. And let's see, I guess I go to setting, and right there it's GPP's compiler. Yes, I actually uninstalled it before I installed it, so any day now. I don't know why it's taking so long. Oh, I was about to go to other places. Now it's already installed. C compiler. I think it already understands. As you see here, I literally tinkered around GPP compiler. Default G++, so I guess it's gonna look into different compilers and it's gonna like sync it with it. Or actually probably just like go to that directory that has that compiler. And then it has C++ compiler options, and it has different Allegro compilers. It has show warnings, run after compile, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Test.cpp. Let's see if I can actually toggle full screen. Interesting. Okay, it doesn't do that. Okay, so basically you have to right click it, and then you click on compile and run. It should. Well, why is it not doing anything? Ah, okay. Let's go here. Oh no, let's just key binding resolver. Oh, there it is. There it is. It already ran. So it's just on my second screen. So basically, press any key to continue. Let's do it again. This time. Okay, right there. Right there. I wish they would actually basically show up on this screen instead of like doing it on a different screen. I wonder if there's a setting for that. Nope. Let's look at editor. Let's look at core actually. Update. No, it doesn't say anything. Store previous windows. Nope, I don't want it. I don't want to restore previous windows on start. I know where you guys are gonna tell me I won't be able to access the same project, but I think it's just gonna take a long time to get my own project. So I rather have it open fast and then have me go to open and then click on the project that I want to go to. Anyway, while I'm at the settings, let's look at theme. Let's look at different ones. There's Atom Light. Oh geez. Oh. Yeah, my fan is spinning like crazy. Atom Dark. It doesn't really look good when I do Atom Light and Atom Dark. Yeah, it kind of looks like Sublime Text. Let's do one light. Oh geez. Why? Okay, yeah, it's much better, but it's too bright. Let's look at Unicorn. Because I happen to download Unicorn. Oh, yes, but I don't like this part here. Isn't there a way? Let's click on install. And it's loading featured packages. Let's look at themes. Okay, installed in this. Atom Material UI. Let's look at that. Let's install that. Let's see if there's any red. Searching themes for red. Redmond UI. Let's look at that. No, I'm sorry. Gotta discredit that guy. I mean, I just don't like the UI. This is the syntax, right? Yeah, I like the red syntax. That looks nice. Let's install that. Let's go back to install. There has to be more. Come on. Red eye UI kind of looks like blood. No, it doesn't. Oh, where's the red theme? It doesn't look like red. I mean, there's some parts that are red. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna deny it, but it's not like full red. Red eye, reduce dark. Red dawn UI, completely red theme. Oh, that looks nice. Red dawn. Red dawn syntax. Let's look at it. Well, that's not too bad. Alright, so let's go back. So if you're into, well, let's look at black and red. Oh, that looks nice. I like it. It looks nice. Okay. No rounded corners, no bevels, no gradients, no shadows. It's flat. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks nice. Kind of looks like high contrast, like very old Windows-ish, Windows 98-ish, or probably even older than that. Let's look at black and red. Let's see if it's to my liking. Come on. Any day now. It has to be better than unicorn. I mean, yeah, the scroll bar here is just ruins the whole thing, but whatever. I mean, this tile bar kind of ruins the whole thing as well. Let's look at JM. Let's look at test.cpp. That's not too bad. I like it. Let's see. Let's see, what else should I do? Oh. Let's see if they have Java before the package. Let's see. Java. Language Java. Java language support in Atom. Oh, so it's already there. Guess I installed it or something. Okay, so let's go back to let's do a new project. Let's do open folder. Actually, let's do that. And let's go to programming. Atom. And let's do new folder. New folder. And let's do and then let's go to select folder. It should refresh, shouldn't that refresh? That's interesting. Open folder. That's not what I want. Wait, where was I? Oh, programming, Java. Should get me. Why is it not? What are you doing? Oh, but I closed. No, I want to close this. Close. Why is it not giving me any closing? Yeah, I want to open folder. Why isn't it? Did I keep on clicking cancel? Java, Atom, testing, select folder. Why is this broken? Why is this broken? New folder, add project folder. Why isn't it giving me? Okay. No, I just wanna close the project. Why isn't it not giving me new window? Why isn't it giving me a hard time? Hold on. Yeah, that's buggy. That's strange. Usually that never happens to me in Visual Studio Code. But what do you expect from Visual Studio Code? It's from a proprietary software that acts like, you know. Okay, so yeah, add folder. Yeah, select folder. Okay. Let's do new file. Let's do test.java. And wait, why isn't it not? There it is. Yeah, see that cup of coffee with steam in the air on top of a plate? Look at that. Why is this split screen? That's not supposed to. No. Probably my first dive-in video that I'm actually having a struggle. Probably not. I don't know. Okay, so and import. Actually, there's no need for import. Let's just do class test public static void main string args. I think it's args, right? And then system that out dot print line hello world followed by two exclamation, no, not two ones, two exclamation points. There it is. And then basically semicolon. And then I should be saving it. And then hopefully compile and run. Must be of type string. Interesting. String args. Oh, this is thrown at the GPP compiler package. How do I compile this via Java? That's gonna be mind-boggling. It's gonna be a quest. A quest to find how to compile stuff in Java. Yeah, package path, yeah. Wait, why? This is not user-friendly at all. Wait, what are you doing, Adam? Nope. No, I don't want that. Yeah, it happens to open. There it is. I don't understand why it's acting really weird. Yay. Config settings. There it is. There should be settings. There it is. There's install. There's search package. And then let's do Java. Let's find Java. Quick Java, JavaScript, Google Java format, Java refactor. Like that, actually. Refactor is good. Autocomplete Java. Install, of course. Do they have compile? Because I want to. There's no package result. To my trusty browser, which is Firefox. So Java compile Atom. Compiler Atom, whatever. So basically, basic Java compiler. Okay. It does just run Java stuff. Okay, let's just install. Launching Atom. It should be here. Basic Java compiler. Come on, there has to be. Basic Java. There has to be. Come on. Yeah, compile. There it is. It should actually work. Control R, run Java file, but it should actually also Java home. It's not set. You'll need to set it in the basic Java compile settings. Oh, goodies. Set Java home in my environment variable. Let's open this one. No, not here. What are you doing? Here. There it is. And then let's look at path. Interesting. This should be Java home, right? My environment variable. All right, so let's do this. Let's make Java home. Copy. New. paste, and then the value. Copy. All right, let's paste it. And then this is the newest one, I guess. All right, so let's put it here for Windows and just this for the Linux for OpenJDK. All right, so let's go back here. Let's go back here. Let's paste it. Oh, I should have browsed file. Duh. That was a no-brainer. All right, let's click OK. Let's click OK. Hopefully this works. All right, so let's go back to the browser. So your Java path, debug. Okay, so everything should be fine. Not generate class files. Okay. Oh, let's just only Control-Alt-Shift-R. All right, so let's go back. Let's see, basic Java compiler. Let's run project. Missing Java path. Oh, let's just close it and reopen it. Atom. The atom. Any day now. Let's see, it's already 37 minutes into it. Open file. Yeah, let's actually open the folder. Yeah, add folder. Let's do select folder. And let's put this here. I don't know why it does that. There it is. Should compile. Should run the Java. I mean Java C, which is another word of saying Java compiler. Oh. Duh. There it is. System.out.println. Everything should be fine. And let's just do the same thing. Any day now. Yep. Awesome. It says running Java C and then running Java. And then once that is displayed, that means nothing, no errors or anything. And then it just basically displays hello world. And then it says done. Awesome. Oh, wait, I could actually do this. Oh, I could literally click on the play button to run Java. That's awesome. Let's say I want to do just hello. All right, so let's save it. Let's compile and run it. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not gonna lie. What's test.class? Oh, I guess it auto-generates class. I don't know why, but okay. I guess. I mean, I thought every Java program is its own class, but that's interesting. I always wonder, can I do stuff like test.pkg? Oh, that's wild. Okay, so let's do. Oh, they don't do that? Oh, that's unfortunate. They don't have the packaging feature. I actually don't know how to do it, and I already went through so much hoops to get Java in there. So let's go to different settings. I know it looks very intimidating, even for me. So should be all right. Let's go to settings. Where are you setting? There should be setting. Oh, there it is. Or control comma, which is a weird shortcut. Close deleted file tabs. Auto hide menu bar. Yeah, I think close corresponding editors. File deleted outside of Atom. I guess that should be a viable option. Auto hide menu bar. That's cool. Oh, auto hide. Oh, okay. No, I need menu bars. Okay, remove empty panes, file sim links, ignore names. Project home, there's like default project. There is project menu count. And then there is a title bar, which is native or hidden. Yeah, I'll have to restart Atom anyway. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Moment of truth. I'm hiding the title bar. Any day now. Oh boy. I mean, it might be because of basically recording. So when I record stuff, things slows down. It never happens to me before, so probably Windows 11 is getting a lot worse. Okay, let's just, it should get me, it should actually open it. It says restart, right? Am I don't know why. Okay, let's just open up Atom. Wait, what's going on? Wait, why is it? Whoa, hold on. If you see here, there it is. That should not happen. That's a weird. Yeah, that's really, really weird. Well, what if I want to install a package? Let's look at install package, open installer. Let's go to core. Yeah, let's look at editor and chart. What did I do? Hidden, native. It should restart. All right, so I'm gonna like close everything, I guess. So let's, there it is. Oh, there it is. And let's restart. Hopefully it works. No, it does not. Why is it giving me a hard time? It should not hide. Okay, let's go to install a package, open installer. It said open installer. Why is stuff not working? What are you doing? Ay. There's community themes. There it is. Okay, should. I don't understand why it's acting so weird. No, I want native. I don't understand. It should give me... Oh boy. Ay, 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 ay. Let me quickly open files with the fuzzy finder. Control T. Settings. Top of the tree view with Control Plus. Or I have no idea. Oh no. Why isn't it? Why am I not given the option? Nope. Not save. No, not open. Come on. Oh. Okay. Just why? Why are you not complying? Yeah, if you're... I just noticed there's like a black screen. So, yeah, I don't understand why. Let's look at... I don't understand why this is acting so weird. Choose a theme picker. Okay. Now please. Can I make it native now? Title bar, please. Native. Do not send any telemetry data. No. Why isn't it not? Oh my god. Why is it not restoring? Just do deprecations. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'll have to adapt this. Alright, so there's like an index guide, there's like show invisibles, there's URI handling, I don't know what that is. Oh, so Atom has his own protocol and then you can just put in there. Wait, you can make your own website? I guess you can make your own website with it using the Atom protocol instead of the HTTPS or HTTP. Okay, system settings, register as file handlers, key bindings. You can just customize your own shortcuts. And there's packages. Yes, it's loading a bunch of package. There's themes, there's updates, there's open config folder. If you save any configurations, which probably is broken. Yeah, it's pretty broken. Ay, ay, ay. This is not... Unfortunately, I can't do anything about it. But yeah, there you go. It's no wonder why GitHub wants to stop supporting it. But I'm pretty sure there's going to be people who are doing open source who's just going to continue Atom, continue the legacy of Atom, and make it better, and hopefully fix this whole thing. I mean, it is what it is. Like, fix the fact that I can't transition from native to hidden, from hidden. So it's unfortunate, but that's okay. So thank you so much for watching, and if you really like this video, please like and subscribe, and please comment down below if tell me what you think of this video, and also share it with other people. And if you're on Odyssey, don't forget to click the fire button and follow me on Odyssey. And if you're on Twitter, don't forget to follow me there. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!